Alright, cheers everyone. First of all, sorry for the quality, because this stupid little thing stopped working. Never mind. Back where I was before. I've received Christmas. Well, obviously, you know where is it from. 1, 2, so let's check the goodies. Silicone tube, important. I need it. So what we got here? Oh, that's for my water treatment. Finally. What we got here? I don't know. I was drunk. Oh yeah, that's wow. It looked much bigger in the picture. That's a pressure relief valve for my Fermentosaurus. Wow, that's tiny. That's good, at least it will fit nicely in my chamber. What we got next? Oh yeah, there we go. New set of seals for one of my kegs, which is leaking a bit. Leaking CO2. I definitely will play with this little boy. That's meant to be for filling, how do you call them? PET plastic bottles. We got next grain. Oh, I need to speed it up. Oh, another grain. That's for it will be for my recipe for my pangster. What's this? Oh my goodness, what a... Oh, that's for the New England IPA, or whatever people call it. More tubing. Oh. More grain. So what's in this one? Oh yes, now we're talking. Hops. More hops. Cascade. Celia. I don't even know. Chinook. More grain. More grain. More grain. I'm from Czech originally, so Saaz is one of the things I need to have. Oh, mosaic. Focus. Citra. Kashmir. Willamette. Never know. And there we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I was probably a little bit drunk when I ordered all this, but never mind. Let's make some brew. Oh, M44. Very nice yeast. Well, it looks like we are running out of the time, unfortunately. So, happy brew, guys. Now I need to tidy up everything